you're looking to buy any reader right now, it's almost certain you'll be looking for something from Amazon's Kindle range. With three products on offer, the Kindle family offers something for everyone with top-end features restricted to products like the Kindle Paperwhite or even more high-end, the Kindle OSS. That said, the cheapest and most basic Kindle option, the one we're reviewing here, is getting better with each passing generation. In fact, the 10th generation is one of the most capable readers ever. So let's unbox it. The box, the inner packaging, the device, some paperwork, and a micro USB cable. This time, you get an entry-level ebook reader with an illuminated display, about 4 LEDs under the bezels, a chic design, and a number of features that make reading a fantastic experience. Thanks to an ever-growing repository of digital books and constantly evolving hardware, Amazon's Kindle remains the undisputed leader in this place. The shimmery plastic chassis houses a 6-inch e-ink display surrounded by a raised bezel. The design looks neat too, with clean side panels, a wake and a charging port at the bottom edge. At around 175 grams, it is sleek and lightweight and can be comfortably held for long reading sessions. The all-new Kindle comes only in the Wi-Fi variant, unlike the premium editions which come with cellular connectivity. Again, the Wi-Fi on this device supports only 2.4 GHz, not 5G. Now let's come to the software. The settings allow you to adjust the brightness according to your preferences. The software feature of Kindles remain the same across models, so you get Goodreads and WhisperSync integration, X-Ray, Notes, Wikipedia, and WordWise. You can also customize the look and feel of the page layout with a range of fonts and themes. One beastly feature here is the voice view option. This enables a text-to-speech aspect with any book stored on the device. You can listen to the book if you don't want to read, just like an audiobook, or if you want to listen and read at the same time, this is perfect.
Mr. and Mrs. Dursley of number 4, Privet Drive, were proud to say that they were perfectly normal. Thank you very much. They were the last people you'd expect to be involved in anything strange or mysterious, because they just didn't hold with such nonsense. Mr. Dursley was the director of a firm called Grunnings, which made drills. He was a big, beefy man with hardly any neck, although he did have a very large mustache. Mrs. Dursley was thin and blonde and had nearly twice the usual amount of neck, which came in very useful as she spent so much of her time craning over garden fences, spying on the neighbors. The Dursleys had a small son called Dudley N.
One drawback with this feature is that whenever the screen flips a page for voice view conversion, it makes a click sound. You need to connect the Kindle with a Bluetooth audio device and it starts text to speech. The touchscreen on the all-new Kindle isn't as sensitive as the Paperwhite, with page turns occasionally seeming sluggish or going undetected. Same with the in-screen keypad. With 167 pixels per inch, the text was sharp enough for reading, but the images looked slightly distorted. However, it should not bother you unless you are reading a lot of comic books and graphic novels. Also, unlike the premium editions, the Paperwhite and the OSS, this one lacks a waterproof body. Setting up the device should be simple. You can register using an existing Amazon account or create one on this Kindle. This is a Wi-Fi only device with 4 GB onboard storage, good enough to download and store hundreds of ebooks. Amazon Prime members get access to some of the most popular books for free. The battery life is reasonable. On a single charge, the device lasts for about a week, used for a couple of hours a day. Again, charging time should be around 2.5 hours from 0 to 100 through a micro USB cable and brick not included in the box. Here are the specs. For Rs 7,999, the all-new Kindle 10th Gen is great not just for a first-time buyer but also if someone wants to upgrade from a previous generation. So that's all folks. Make sure you hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.